Hubby? Come on, mate. Now, I know you're just sitting there wallowing. Look, I know it's hard to hear this, but you've got to face it, okay? Rice isn't coming back. And I know it doesn't seem like it right now, but in time you are going to get over her.
So it's like a visual diary?
Yeah, pretty much. My illustrations are totally a product of those scared, super shy years.
How would you feel about moving in together?
Like, yes.
Okay, just watch whatever. I'm gonna go write lyrics. Remember this day?
Did you say endearing?
That's not funny.
Sorry.